which says a person moving towards the north. Whenever a question for you on the direction is given, first you have to draw this one. Okay, it's here, north is here, right? So a person is going towards north. So we have to start journey from the zero. Always start your journey from zero. If I am going to the north like this, okay, for example, if I am going like this, so this will be my right side and this will be my left side. Okay, so yes, a person moving towards the north and covers the distance of 10 meters. Consider this is 10 meters. Okay, so now, and again he turns to the right side. Right side means this, and covers the distance of 15 meter. So this is 10. So 15 should be, okay, this much, 15 meter. So if I am going like this for 15 meters, so this is my right and this is my left. Right and left. Now again he turns to the right side and covers the distance of 10 meters. See, right side is this, right? So again he will come to the main road. Okay, so he is facing like this now, okay, towards the south. So what he wants now, find the final direction of a person. Find the final direction of a person when he was facing at the last. So he is a person, so he is just standing here facing towards the south. So final direction is what? The first answer is south. Yes or no? Yes. So next question, find the distance of a person from the starting point. Now in the start mode we have started our journey from here, right? So some student write 10, 15 plus 10. No, you should never do that. Starting point is illinda illiyavarige. What is the distance? What is the distance? So 15 meters. Okay. So second answer is 15 meters. Now third answer, find the direction of a person from the starting point. Find the direction of a person from the starting point. So starting point is this and he is standing here. So answer is east. Find the direction of a person from the starting point. Starting point is the illiyavarige. So the direction is east. So I hope you have got the question and understood the solution. Whenever a problem given on the direction, first thing you have to draw this diagram, then start the solution. It is very simple. Okay, and we'll go for the next example so that we get more knowledge. Okay, yes. Yes, we'll go for the example number 3. The distance between two person is 100 meters. Ibbar naduva already nanu tagdidini, boy and a girl, and the difference between both of them is how much? 100 meters. And they are moving towards each other with a constant speed. Constant speed means how, you know, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವರು 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 30 meters. So first person covers the distance of how much? 30 meters. So ನಾನು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, if I am going like this, so this will become my right. So ಇದು very important. Whenever you have the direction, first right left ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, first person covers the distance of 30 meter and turns to the left side and covers 10 meter. So ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ left side is this one, no? So left side cover करता है, कितना करता है? 10 meters. So if I am going 10 meters like this, so this will become my right and this will become my left. And turns to the right side and takes 10 meter again. So again how much, where he'll go? He'll go again here 10 meters. So if I am going like this again, so this will become my right and this will become my left. So now again he turns to the right side and reach the main road. So nodri, so this is right, again he'll take, this is the main road, again he'll take right and he'll reach the how much, main road. So 30, 40, 50, 60. So total distance covered by a person is how much? First person is 60 meters, right? 30 plus 10 plus 10 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ 10 ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಟು ದಿ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ನೋಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ 60 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇವ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಿ ಬಂದಾನ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರ, ಸೊ ಇವನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಾನ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ both the person. So both the person distance is how much? They have reached at the same point. So distance is how much? 0. Okay, I hope you have understood. It is very easy. So whenever a problem for you on direction has given, first thing what you have to do, you have to draw the diagram of north, south, east, west. Then from the starting point LK kottidana north, east. Okay, it is very simple. So we have given some exercise, you have to practice it, and I hope you have understood the concept. You have not understood, please comment below or you can ask me directly. Okay, all the best.